Today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful new features in Canva, Magic Layers. With this tool, you can turn any image into a fully editable design in just a few seconds. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new design. Upload any image that you want to edit. This can be a poster, thumbnail, or any design. As you can see, I am not able to edit this template. But now it's possible with the help of Canva's new update, Magic Layers. Click on the image, then go to Edit and look for the Magic Layers option. Now, Canva will automatically analyze your image and separate it into layers. Each element is separate so that you can drag and reposition images, icons, or shapes anywhere on the canvas. You get full control over the layout. You can easily modify the colors of backgrounds, text, and elements to match your brand or theme. You can click on any text layer and change the font style, size, or alignment according to your needs. And just like that, your static image becomes fully editable. But always remember one thing: use Magic Layers for learning, inspiration, and improving your skills, not for copying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.